Hello everyone, you're welcome back. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is just a quick one. I'll be showing you how I made this easy chicken salad. Please watch this video for more. Thank you. I'll be using some avocado, lemon. Feel free to use as much avocado as you want. I've got some salad dressing and olive oil. I'll put all the veg in a bowl, then I'll run some warm water. I'll add a bit of salt and some vinegar. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, thank you for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to support me by subscribing. Also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.